Ryan Salazar with NAB Show Live and Broadcast Beat. Today we have Jonathan Solomon with Aspera. How you doing?
I'm doing good. How are you today?
Doing great. So Aspera is one of those companies that innovates, creates new processes and new ways to change how our industry, the production and broadcast industry, functions. So let's talk about how you guys got started doing what you do.
Well, we got started basically by trying to solve a need where the old way of moving files wasn't working. Files are growing bigger, media was getting bigger, they needed to have a better way to do it. And when Michel and Siobhan came up with the FASP protocol, it sort of revolutionized how media was moved. We've built on that by adding products and features over the last 12 years.
So the FASP protocol, if you could just kind of go a little more into detail about that, it's a delivery, a method of delivery, right?
Sure, it's a protocol that replaces standard file transfer protocols. So you may be familiar with terms like FTP, TCP, SCP, HTTP. Those are all transfer protocols. FASP is its own proprietary patented protocol that leverages the UDP channel, but it is the own protocol and allows us to get line speed between two endpoints.
Excellent. So announcements that you guys have, I see that some of the projects that you've done are up there. Maybe some recent announcements, recent systems changes.
Sure. So the big thing we're showing here at the show today is obviously FastStream, and that's our streaming data protocol. It builds on the file-based protocol we've had for so many years, but does streaming data now with and obviously with video. This particular one is live from the Royal Caribbean Harmony of the Seas, I believe the boat is. It's the largest cruise ship in the world. It's its second voyage. It's currently in Nassau, the Bahamas, and this is an IP connection from the boat live using FastStream protocol.
Obviously not wired.
Obviously not wired, correct.
That's a long snake cable,
yeah,
right?
All the way to the Bahamas. Wow. So we've done something similar out of Cuba, which was wired, but still getting out of Cuba was difficult from a networking perspective. So that's really the big one here, and this is geared towards more contribution side, fiber optic satellite replacement. And then we have some other features in our file-based workflows. We got Drive 2.0, which is a desktop application for shares, FastSpecs, and file solutions. And that's allowing us to integrate directly with files and allow syncing files as our SaaS solution. And then we have some upgrades from operational and user stability standpoints.
Okay, great. Well, thank you so much. It's always a pleasure chatting with Aspera and the neat things that you guys have going on. Again, Jonathan Solomon at Aspera here at the 2016 NAB Show New York event. Thank you so much.
My pleasure.